Make a great choice today with
The 2018 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, starter type, motor generator, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, voice activated navigation system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.